I wanted to go get ramen. You went without me.
No, I was on my way over there. I still wasn't there.
So what did I eat? Some Taco Bell chicken rollers.
Is it the taquito ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, those were good.
With a Mountain Dew. Get under this. Move.
So,
Alright guys, so we're under the car right now. The diff is right here. You're gonna want to go ahead and unbolt these 4 Driveshaft bolts right here. There are 14s, a nut and a bolt. It's gonna be 4 of them. Just go ahead and take those off. Then after that, you gotta remove the carrier bearing, the little thing that holds it, this piece right here. Mine's was actually already bent, which is why I'm having a problem with the drive shaft anyway. I couldn't bolt this side down, so I just bend it out of the way right now. I'm not going to use that anymore. You don't need it with the one piece. And it's just 2 19s that hold this in place. So 2 19s and then 4 14s in the back, and the whole drive shaft will come out. And hopefully we don't leak tranny fluid. This is at a pretty good angle, so I hope all the fluid is in the front, but we'll see when we take it off. Damn, don't talk to my dog like that. Anyways, this is the old drive shaft right here. You see we have the bushing right here, the carrier bearing, I believe it's called, which lets it flex like that. And here we have the new drive shaft. This is a steel drive shaft, one piece. If you can see, we don't have that bearing here. You drink this, bro? So we're gonna go ahead and throw this one on. Same process, just 4 bolts in the back and the 2 that hold this one. So it should be a lot easier, and we should actually have more torque with this one, supposedly. But we'll see. We're gonna go ahead and throw that one on. I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Just a repeat process. Alright guys, so that is it. We got these 4 bolts and nuts back on there. Super easy. If you guys need to turn it, just take off the e-brake and spin your tire, and that'll turn the drive shaft. Super easy install. Literally 6 bolts and then 4 bolts to put it back on.
2-man job.
And then just slide it in here. Super easy. This drive shaft is actually a lot thinner, so now I have way more clearance with my exhaust right here. No flex play on it like the other one. You don't need that carrier bearing holder thing right here, that little bracket. You don't need that anymore. So super easy. That took like what, 10 minutes? Super easy install. We literally spent more time talking and fighting than actually putting it on. But there you go guys, super easy install. And we'll go drive this later on when I get a throttle cable, because I accidentally burnt mine. But that's gonna be it for the drive shaft. So once again, here's the old drive shaft. Here's the bracket for it. This one was all bent, which is why it didn't sit right in the first place. So we don't need that. We don't have this flex anymore. I'll probably throw that up on OfferUp or whatever. And it's gonna be it for today. Pretty simple install. Thank you, Chris, for helping out. Made it a lot easier. And let's start this thing up real quick. Merry Christmas, you guys. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta connect the battery real quick. You guys want to learn how to put the battery in the back? Watch my other video. Let's get in here. Whoop. Alright, bro, give it some gas while I try to start it.
Like right now?
I'll tell you, well, when you hear it cranking, push start. Give it gas. There you go. All right, let it go. go, guys.
What do anything?
Cages.
What do you want to do?